So this is the US oil analysis for Thursday the 5th of April. Now, let's just have a look what prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the US oil, we've had this move upwards, successful break from these 64.76. Prices progressed beyond the 63.76. Head down towards this 63.05, had a brief consolidation, had a brief upwards towards the 63.76, from which we did see a rejection. We broke below the 62.54 and actually tested this 62 level, from which we have seen a recovery here beyond the 62.54, and we've headed up towards that 63.76 for a test. Now we've had a rejection from the 63.76 so far. We'll see whether we do have a brief pullback, possibly down towards the 400 period average before we do see a break to the upside, breaking beyond the 63.76. If we're able to hold 63.76, we're then looking for price head towards our 64.50, where we do have the 200 period moving average confluence, but ultimately we're looking for the horizontal level of the 64.76. Now a break from 64.76 should see 65.60 come into focus. Wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 65.60, but if we did have a particular volatile day, 66.71 or 66.50 may come into focus here on the US oil. If however we do see the continued breakdown from where we are at present, the very next key important level that we are looking at here on the US oil would be a move down towards that 63.05. Successful break from which we'll be looking at 62.54 again and 62, where we previously found support just there. And if we did break beyond the 62 level, the very next level that we are looking at here on the chart would be a move down towards that 61.48, which is possibly the far end of the range here, 61.48 or 61. 61.48 or 61, I'd expect to be the far end of range here, even on a particular volatile day on the US oil. And with that said, let's just have a brief look at the daily chart just to see how prices developing here on the US oil. And let's just get a scale on here correct. So on the daily chart, we can see here we are operating in shadow of this very strong bearish candle, and we've come off the highs in around our 66 60s or 50s. And we've had this sharp move downwards, which was rejected, and we've seen the progression here to the upside here on US oil. So we'll see whether we can break above those key important levels, or if we can use this to form a higher low. So we have our lows, a higher low. We'll see whether we can form a higher low here for progression to the upside to retest the old highs. But with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.